Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add tick boxes to your notes on the Google Keep application, thereby creating a to-do list. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you can choose from an already existing document in your home page, but you can also create a new document, create your to-do list by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right side corner. Now you should add your title, and then if you are done with it, press this plus icon in the middle of the screen and choose the last option, tick boxes, thereby adding these tick boxes. And then you should type in something that you want to, thereby listing these items. So if you feel like that you have created that kind of thing, or achieved your goal, or purchased an item, or you are done with that exercise that you have added to your to-do list, just simply tap on this box, thereby adding this check mark icon next to it. And as you can see, it will disappear from your list, and it will go to the ticked item section down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.